Guys, today we decided to take this and turn it into something scrumptious. That's saltfish and okra with butter bean. And of course, guys, all our seasoning, nice seasoning ready. And look here. This is what the end result was, guys. Saltfish and butter bean with okra. We all add in shrimp. And watch your man, the dumpling just looks so good. And the banana then just sit on the plate nice and round and juicy. Guys, what are you having for breakfast? This is a real Jamaican breakfast. Me I tell you the truth. If you don't like it, remember me tell you, say you have to go bite it. All who beg, nah get. And who no beg, don't want. Watch your man, look on the butter bean. Hey, look on the wife, you know, with fair plate. My girl, be up on the live. Can you tell me how the food tastes?
The food is very nice, flavorful, perfectly seasoned, not overly salty even though it's saltfish. And the textures are amazing. The okra, although fully cooked, is not smushy or mushy. It's, you know,
it's
still has a little
squishy.
slight crunch to it, which is good.
You like it? Mm-hmm. Them banana, they look tough though.
They're medium.
They're challenging.
No, they're medium. Look, they're not bad. They're not that butter soft, but they're not tough.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So out of 10, how much you give this dish?
I give this dish a 9.
9. Nice.
Solid 9.
Thank you. Thank you so much. The Lord bless you and keep you. Hallelujah.